Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. Here's another request video, this time it's for Carolyn Jimenez. You've asked me to draw Tokyo Goul Ken Kanaki. I think I pronounced that okay. It's really funny because I'd actually found an image of Ken Kanaki from Tokyo Goul that I was going to draw anyway before this request came in, so it just tied in quite nicely. As always, I free-handed this out, found a couple of images online and sort of mashed them together just to come up with something that's slightly different, and quite like the way that this turned out. I free-handed the pencil in. I used my Faber-Castell fine liner permanent marker for the outlines, and then went over with my Copic markers. So I really enjoyed this drawing because there's a lot of greys and blacks with only a few hints of colour. So there's a little bit of colour on the bandage with some blood, and then the skin as well. So I used Cool Grey 1, 3, 5 and 7. I used Cool Grey 1 for the lighter side of the hair, and then Cool Grey 5 for the slightly darker side on the left as you're looking at it. And then for the black area, the face mask and around the coat, I used black for the far side, the left side, and then Cool Grey 7. Now what I also did for the first time is I used a coloured pencil crayon, a black ebony pencil crayon, just to go over, because I just felt that the Cool Grey 7 wasn't dark enough, so I went over with like I say, with the black pencil crayon, which you'll see shortly, and I just feel it just gave me a slightly better tone for the lighter areas of the dark, rather than it looking grey. I think it did look like it was slightly more of a light reflecting off of a black. For the skin tones, I used Milky White, and I used one called Chamois for the slightly darker areas around the knuckles and around the top of the eye. I used a reddy brown for the eye, and I went over the lighter areas with my Signo Broad white pigment pen, so just for the highlights in the eyes, and I also went around a few of the areas. For the background, I used a violet blue, so I went around the edge with a violet blue, and then I used my Sharpie pen for the actual black sort of frame going around it. This took me about 3.5 hours from start to finish. Really enjoyed doing it. I really enjoyed the details, and I like I say, I like the contrast between the greys and the blacks, and then the red that we're getting on the bandage itself. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm really enjoying doing this anime. If you've got any more requests, don't forget to send them in. Don't forget to like my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter page. In the descriptions you can find the links to all of those. If you've subscribed to my channel, fantastic, thank you so much. If you haven't, go and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn notifications on. I'm doing daily videos. Really enjoying this style at the moment. So thank you guys for setting me new challenges, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.